Hi, everyone. Welcome back. It's 3 songs a week, and today is Thursday, and this is my first song. Well, I've been busy. What can I say? And I really have. So, this song, the first song of the week, is going to be Bird on a Wire by Leonard Cohen. So many people like to play this song. It came up in a discussion I was having with people when I was in an online jam session, you might say, with my friends in Philadelphia. And someone suggested that maybe I should learn this song, so I did. So we'll give this a shot. Like a bird on a wire, like a drunk in a midnight choir. I've tried in my ways to be free, like a fish on a hook, like a knight in some old-fashioned book. I have saved all my ribbons for thee. And if I have been unkind, I hope you will let it go by. And if I have been untrue, I hope you know it was never to you. Like a baby stillborn, like a beast with his horn, I have torn everyone who reached out to me. But I swear by this song, by all that I have done wrong, I'll make it all up to thee. I saw a young man leaning on a wooden crutch. He called out to me, "Don't ask for so much." And a young woman leaning on her darkened door, she cried out to me, "Hey, why not ask for more?" Like a bird on a wire, like a drunk in a midnight choir, I have tried in my way to be free. One minor mess up right there at the end. I don't know if you saw it, but I heard it, so I'm going to let it go because it's not a recording session where it's got to go out to the public and be so perfect. This is live. So, thanks for coming. I hope you got something out of the song. It's a really interesting song. So many people like to do it. Just like Dimming of the Day, the one that I did last time. I really like both those songs. They're going to be part of my regular rotation if I ever start doing any kind of gig again. But we'll see. Anyway, thanks for stopping by. If you want better notification, if you subscribe, then you'll know when I finally come around to putting up the next song. So if you do subscribe, you hit the bell right next to that, and it just says you have 3 choices, and you want to pick the one I would think that you're notified whenever I put something up. But that's up to you. So thanks for stopping by. I hope you got something out of it. I'll be back soon because I got 2 more songs to do before the end of Sunday. See you soon.